New Apple Manufactory in India. Hello, and welcome to our report on Apple's new manufacturing facility in India. This marks a significant move for the technology giant, which has traditionally focused on manufacturing its products in China. The decision by Apple to establish a manufacturing facility in India is not only a major development for the technology giant, but also a significant step for the Indian economy and the global technology market. With this move, Apple is likely to have a positive impact on the Indian technology sector, create jobs, stimulate innovation, and help position India as a major player in the global technology industry. So in this video, we'll tell you about new Apple Manufactory in India. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Apple has announced its plans to open a new manufacturing facility in India. This marks a significant move for the technology giant, which has traditionally focused on manufacturing its products in China. The new factory will be located in the southern Indian state of Karnataka, and it will be the first Apple manufacturing facility in India. Analysts estimate that Apple will turn India into a global iPhone manufacturing hub by 2025 as it slowly cuts its reliance on China, where it has been producing the vast majority of its devices for over a decade. In a report earlier this month, J.P. Morgan analysts said Apple will move 5% of global iPhone 14 production to India by late 2022 and expand its manufacturing capacity in the country to produce 25% of all iPhones by 2025. Reasons for the move. The move to India comes at a time when Apple is facing increasing competition from Chinese smartphone manufacturers. These companies have been able to offer lower-priced devices that are similar in quality to Apple's products. By moving some of its manufacturing to India, Apple will be able to reduce its costs and offer more competitive pricing to customers. Another reason why Apple is moving to India is to tap into the country's growing market for smartphones. India is the world's second-largest smartphone market, and it is expected to grow rapidly in the coming years. By manufacturing its products in India, Apple will be better positioned to capture a larger share of this growing market. Impact on India's economy and technology sector. The new Apple facility is expected to provide jobs for tens of thousands of people in the region, and it will help to boost the Indian economy. India has been working to attract more foreign investment, and this move by Apple is a significant endorsement of the country's potential. Apple's move to India is also likely to have a positive impact on the country's technology sector. India has a strong and growing technology industry, and the presence of a major player like Apple is likely to stimulate further growth and innovation. The new Apple facility is expected to attract other technology companies to the region, which will help to create a vibrant technology ecosystem. Opportunities. The new Apple manufacturing facility in India is likely to be a major boost for the region, and it is expected to have a significant impact on the Indian economy. The facility will create jobs, stimulate innovation, and help to position India as a major player in the global technology industry. In order to understand the significance of Apple's move to India, it is important to take a closer look at the Indian technology sector. India has a large and growing technology industry, and the country has become a hub for software development and IT outsourcing. Many of the world's largest technology companies have established operations in India, and the country is home to a large and talented pool of technology professionals. One of the main advantages of manufacturing products in India is the country's large and growing pool of engineering talent. India has a large and highly skilled workforce of engineers and technology professionals. This talent pool has been a major draw for many technology companies, and it is likely to be a key factor in Apple's decision to establish a manufacturing facility in the country. Despite its large and growing technology industry, India has not been able to establish itself as a major player in the hardware sector. While the country has a large manufacturing sector, it has not been able to attract major technology manufacturers like Apple, Samsung. This has limited the country's ability to compete in the global technology market, and it has hindered its ability to create high-quality jobs in the technology sector. The move by Apple to establish a manufacturing facility in India is likely to change this dynamic. By manufacturing its products in India, Apple will be able to tap into the country's large and growing manufacturing sector. This will help to create jobs and stimulate innovation in the sector. The presence of a major player like Apple is also likely to attract other technology companies to the region. This will help to create a vibrant technology ecosystem that will drive further growth and innovation in the sector. This, in turn, is likely to attract more foreign investment and create more high-quality jobs in the technology sector. Apple rival Samsung already identifies India as a key global manufacturing hub and has set up one of its largest factories in the country. Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi, which currently leads the market, as well as its rivals Oppo, Vivo, and OnePlus, also locally assemble a number of their handsets in the country. Google also plans to move some of Pixel smartphones' production to India. The information reported recently. The company, which skipped shipping flagship models in India for 2 generations, said last week that it will launch the upcoming Pixel 7 models in India. In addition, India's government has been working to attract more foreign investment, and it has implemented a number of policies and initiatives aimed at making it easier for companies to do business in the country. For example, the government has introduced a number of tax incentives for companies that invest in certain sectors, and it has streamlined the process for obtaining business permits and licenses. Challenges. Despite these positive developments, there are also some challenges that Apple is likely to face in India. One of the main challenges is the country's infrastructure. India's transportation, energy, and communication infrastructure is often inadequate and outdated, which can create logistical challenges for companies doing business in the country. One potential challenge for Apple in India is the country's complex regulatory environment. India has strict rules on foreign investment and manufacturing, and companies must navigate a complex web of regulations in order to do business in the country. However, Apple has experience working in complex regulatory environments, and it is likely to be able to overcome these challenges. Another challenge is the country's complex regulatory environment, which can be difficult for foreign companies to navigate. Companies must comply with a range of rules and regulations, including those related to foreign investment, manufacturing, and labor laws. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in significant penalties and fines. Before we move further, what are your thoughts so far? If you liked the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The new Apple manufacturing facility in India is likely to be a major boost for the region, and it is expected to have a significant impact on the Indian economy. The facility will create jobs, stimulate innovation, and help to position India as a major player in the global technology industry. India has a large and growing technology industry, and the country has become a hub for software development and IT outsourcing. The move by Apple to establish a manufacturing facility in India is likely to change this dynamic and help India establish itself as a major player in the hardware sector as well. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.